Okay, when you get to this page, lab equipment lab, you're going to need to go back here and pull out that lab equipment lab. Okay, and you're going to see it. Sorry, wrong page. You're going to pull this out, lab equipment lab. All right, here it is. All right, so you're not actually doing the lab. Instead, you are locating these 10 pieces of equipment listed in here. Of course, at your home, you can't see the lab equipment, but you're going to locate 10 different pieces of equipment listed in here. All right, and that's what you're going to put in here. So let's pull these out side by side so we can look at these. Okay, so it says we're going to measure 3 millimeters of a blue solution in a 10 milliliter graduated cylinder. Well, there's my first piece of equipment. Okay, I'm gonna type this in purple. And so 10 milliliter, why isn't that working? 10 milliliter graduated cylinder. Okay, and then we'll get the use later. So go and put your 10 pieces in there. Okay. And then from there, we are going to need this lab equipment PowerPoint. Okay, I'm going to need that lab equipment PowerPoint because I have to locate a graduated cylinder. There it is. That's what a graduated cylinder is. Okay, and I'm going to say it measures volumes of liquids. All right, and then I'm going to draw this the best I can with my stylus. Okay. It's got a little lip around the bottom. Not bad, right? Okay, and it's got these little things here. Okay, and I'm going to continue doing that throughout the lab till I have 10 pieces of equipment. If you don't have 10 pieces of equipment, let me know and I'll help you find the pieces that you're missing, okay? But there are 10 pieces of equipment in here. All right, and that's what you do for the lab. If you have any questions, let me know.